In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix could not create your account or your account cannot be created at this time on iPhone. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So if in any case you're trying to create an account on iPhone, such as your iCloud or your Apple ID, if you're trying to create that on iPhone, and you receive a message that says could not create your account. So this might be caused by some internet issues or some bugs with your phone. So the first thing you want to do is simply restart your phone. And if the problem persists, what you want to do is to check your internet connection. So make sure that you are connected to a good and stable internet connection. Next is you want to also make sure that you are not connected to any VPN. So if you are connected to any VPN, you might want to disconnect that. Next is you want to update your iOS version. So simply scroll down and select General. Now tap on Software Update and make sure that your iOS version is updated to the latest version. Now, the next thing you can do if the problem persists is reset your network settings. So what you want to do is go to General, scroll down until you see transfer or reset iPhone. So tap on that. Now tap on reset and simply tap on reset network settings. Now you want to enter your passcode to confirm the reset. And what you can do if the problem is still persists, what you can simply do is tap here on erase all content and settings. But this method is a pain because you will need to download all of your apps again and it will delete all of the data from your iPhone. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.